markers are used to identify specific points or sections within a video clip or timeline. They act as reference points, making it easier to navigate, edit, and collaborate on projects. Markers can be used for various purposes, such as indicating important events, highlighting the specific moments, and adding notes or comments or setting up cues for other editors or collaborators. Import the video clip or footage you want to work with into your project by either dragging it onto the project panel or using the import option in the file menu. Once footage is imported, locate the clip in the project panel and double click on it, and the video clip displayed in the source panel. To add a marker at a specific point on the clip, you have a few options. Play the clip by pressing the space bar or using the playback controls, and when you reach the desired point, press the end key. For example, when you play from the play and when you want to press this is the specific point you want to edit, press M. So look at this. This is the marker you can add in your video or your footage. This is the marker. Simply you select M for the marker. Press the M key on your keyboard and this will instantly add a marker at the current playback positions. If you want to add more detailed information to the marker, you can use the marker menu at the top of the Premiere Pro interface. Marker menu. This is the marker menu. If you want to add more detailed information to the marker, you can use the markers menu at the top of the Premiere Pro interface. When the playhead at the desired position, go to the marker M. This one the position where you can start and you can point the marker, and or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl M. A dialog box will appear where you can enter a name, description and other details for the marker, and you can name the markers. For example, this is the video, so we can name it. You can add this, you can add marker colors. For example, this is the green color. If you want to change, use the red color. This is the chapter marker. If you want to click on this, segmentation, web link, flash, cue point. If you want to change, you can change on this red color, and after this click on the OK. This marker color has now changed and it is now in red color. Select on this marker. If you want to delete this marker, select on this and go to this option, clear selected marker or clear markers. Here you can see another option which is edit marker. You can edit these markers too. So this is the area. This is very important area. This is very important panel. You can see many tabs here. You can see many functions here. You can see different types of functions you can do in this area. Practice as much as you can.